Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make book cover designs in a very fast and efficient way using AI. The name of the AI we are going to be using is Ideogram AI. So this is the site. You be required to log in using your email, your Gmail account. Very simple and very fast. You can do so many things with this website, but for today's video, it's just going to be about using it for book cover design. For those of us that are into publishing of books on Amazon, sometimes we have this difficulty of creating book covers, but now all you have to do is just to input your prompts and you be able to make your own book cover.
My name is Ken and I bring you tips, tricks and insights on design.
So please stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you a bonus tip on how even 10 times more creative with an endless well of ideas to generate more jaw-dropping book cover designs. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, two websites we are going to be using for this exercise is ChatGPT and Ideogram. Now, we use ChatGPT to generate our prompts, to give us very nice prompts. And for example, now, before you use your ChatGPT to create your prompt, just make sure that you have the title of the book and the author of the book, the name of the author. Those two things, you have to have them down before you head over to ChatGPT. So this is an example of the prompt, the instruction I gave to ChatGPT to give me the prompt. I said, give me a prompt for a book cover on a travel guide to Seychelles. The title of the book is Seychelles Travel Guide. Author's name is D.W. Ken, that is Design with Ken.
Then notice that I put the book title and the author's name in inverted commas. Yeah, so that is like a signal to ChatGPT that this is my book title and this is my author name, for it to clearly identify them as such.
ChatGPT will now generate the prompt for you. So this is the prompts. Then what you have to do is you copy these prompts. Head over to Ideogram. So let's do something like that now. This is the instruction I gave ChatGPT. Give me a prompt for a book cover on a relationship guide. The title of the book is Love at First Sip. Author's name is D.W. Ken. Okay, so here is the prompt. So I'll just copy it. Before you click on generate, before you click on the generate button, you can go through it to make sure that everything is okay. Just in case you want a particular font to for the AI to use, if you want a particular font, you can put your font into the prompt, the font that you need. For example, now I went to ChatGPT to give me ideas of prompt. Look at it. List top 5 best fonts for book cover title. See the fonts it showed to me: Trojan, Futura, Bodoni, Garamond, and Montserrat. So any of them, you can just like copy this thing here, copy it, go to the AI, and tell it that okay, see this playful yet elegant. So you can come here and just put Garamond typography. You understand what I'm saying? You see it, you just like you are telling the AI what to do. But I'm not going to use it, I'm just using it as an example. Also, whatever you want in addition to this prompt that ChatGPT gave you, as you paste it here, you can tweak it in addition, so that the AI will now incorporate it into the book cover design. So now for these settings, you must check these settings first before you click on generate all these settings here. The first one here is magic prompt. Leave it at auto. The second one is ratio. That is the ratio of the book cover design. You leave it at you come to this drop down this thing here. This is where you can be seeing the different ratio for the book cover. I went for 2:3 because that 2:3, 2:3 is the one that how will I put it now? If your book is 6:9, you know, you can use that 2:3. If your book is also 5.8, 5.5 by 8.5, you can use 2:3. That 6:9, it's good for 6:9 because the most common trim size for books, especially in the US, is 6:9. So that is the most common size for book cover. So that's why I say you can use this 2:3. You select it for your in these settings, this particular ratio setting. Then we have a model. That is, this model now is referring to the model of this ideogram. So we leave it at 1.0, which is like the latest model. Then visibility, leave it at public. So now that the settings is done, okay, so we now click on generate pictures for the prompts, and you have to choose whatever you can pick, the one that's okay for you. I think if I wanted to choose, I would have gone with this. Yes, in Amazon, the people that buy these books, people that buy your books, they normally judge the book by its cover. So you must make sure that your cover is very okay, so very befitting. If you are not okay with your outputs, you can always, you know, regenerate the prompts. Every day you are given 25 prompts for this free version. It's 25 prompts. These are the other pictures that these are the other my history, what I've done for my history. So you can see that this is the name of the book, title of the book, this is my name, author's name. You see, so just choose the one that is okay with. Then this is the one I also did, a travel guide to India. See it. If you are okay with this, for example, and you want to go, you just click on this dot here and you click on download. You'll be able to download it. Once you download it, you have your book cover. Okay, so this is what we have here. Breakfast tips. Just put in another prompt here to try and show you what it's capable of. So you see, remember that if you are not okay with everything it shows here, you just have to go back to ChatGPT and regenerate the prompt. You know, in ChatGPT you can always regenerate. Like if you are not satisfied with a particular output, you can redo it. It will regenerate another prompt for you. I love this particular picture, but the thing about this picture is here is that the font is not really standing out. The font color. So here in this particular one, it did not spell the breakfast. It wrote break tips instead of breakfast tips. So here to break tips. Yeah, breakfast tips. For your bonus tip now, if you want to be more creative here, and just before I drop the bonus tips, if you go to your profile here, I'm already on my profile. These are what I've my history, the history of my prompt that have been generated for me. Okay, in a day you have 25 prompts. I've used, what I have left is 18 prompts. So once you use up your prompts, you have to wait for the next day to get another prompt. Now for the bonus tip, as I promised, you want to be more creative with an endless well of ideas. Generating these covers, get ideas. I'm going to show you how you can do that very easily and faster. Once you go to the ideogram, this is the home. You are at explore, we have following, and we have top. So in this place now, these are your ideas here, right here, looking at you, in front of you. What you can do here is to click on top. So now we are at the, I'll prefer that you go to this top, this click on this top side, then you scroll. Now whatever you are seeing here, you will always see something that inspires you, or that you know, that brings out that creativity in you, or that sparks your interests. Whatever it is, you can do something, you can make something similar to it. So now you can use it for a book cover. You can decide to use it for a book cover. You can decide to use it for a logo. You can decide whatever, anything, picture. For example, now this is just to give you an idea. Click on this. You like this. Let's assume you like this. Now what you do is you click on this, you copy it. Once you copy it, you come here and then you paste. Now what you do is you change the name. Change the name, put your name, and then generate, and observe what happens now. This is what I'm talking about. Now look what we have here. This is an example. This is just an example. So now you can as well decide to change this place from gold bracelet to silver bracelet or diamond bracelets, as the case may be. Just tweak it according to how you want it. So that will give you like this an inspiration. It's just an inspiration for you. You will never run dry of ideas. Alright guys, so with this we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you have any questions, please drop the question on the comment section, and I'll make sure I attend to any question there. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and see you next time.